Well, on the way to Strasburg, the Pennsylvania Railroad, I saw this John Bull passenger car, and I decided to design it on the CAD and put it together. And it was fairly easy to do. It came out really nice. And hope you guys enjoy it as much as I enjoyed making this piece. Basically, used the same interior as from my other coaches, just added a couple more seats. And what I really like about this car is the frame on the bottom and the yellow highlights on the trucks and wheels. Really nice. Well, let's put it on the track, see how it runs behind the big boy. Well, there she is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My next build is going to be a really weird caboose that I found online. Well, happy railroading. Bye.